Hello everyone. So right now it's currently right now, let me check time, 9:08. Yes. So we have the leading gapper NLSP, but okay, let me change that. It's NLSP. NLSP. So it gapped up 90. Whoa, actually 101%. Today's the 12th. There it is. Okay, guys, so let's go over this. So we know NLSP is the leading gapper. It gapped up. Well, look at this nice gap up right about 8:05, 8 a.m. It had a nice surge on the 5 minute from $2.99. Well, the whole $1.03, all the way up to 6.32. Well, we can say the high 6.84. Let's look at this one in 1 minute. A little bit closer. So look at this. This is a perfect 1 minute. The 5:45 also. There's two setups right here. Well, three. There's like three actually. One is a little bit more aggressive for the bounce of VWAP. Well, you could have gone long here as it was dipping down, and your stop would have been right about 475. I believe that's where the VWAP was at that moment. Or around there, 75, 72, but it was definitely more than 70. Anyways. So, or this one you could have taken over here, next 1 minute candle to make a new high, which was right over 545, and the other setup it was the break of the half dollar, 550, right here. It gave you a nice move all the way to 590. Well, this is kind of scary when you see this type of candle, but we saw how it held over here, so there's another setup over here. Next 1 minute count to make a new high. It was right over 630, but it hit a high of 670. But as the price starts getting higher and higher, we should be kind of cautious. A little bit more riskier to go full size over here. Right on this 5 minute, but that's kind of like a shooting star over here. Right on the 5 minute, right about 8:15. Okay, let's go over the second leading gapper right now. I'll keep that one in my watch list. So this one, I'm gonna move to my main, not the main, but to the side. So I'm gonna have NLSP to see how it's doing at the open. Well, this is gonna be a nice break of the VWAP, which was right about 598, but also the whole dollar. So we're looking at two setups in one over here, on this one. But we have to wait until it gets all above the 75. If it can get to 80, 580, or if even for confirmation, let it go above VWAP, let it have a nice pop, let it pull back, test the VWAP. If it's gonna hold, then if you see the surge coming in, that's a sign to go long. But let's see. Okay, so ENTX is the second leading gapper. ENTX. I was watching at that one, but look at this. This is really choppy. I don't know if it even has news. No, it does not have news. Okay, so SEAL, SEEL. This one's looking a little bit better right now. This is what I mean. The break of VWAP and test the VWAP right there. So let me pull that one on my level 2 right now. So the one I'm gonna leave, and then NLSP on this level 2. SEEL on my second one. So let's see. Now I'm gonna move this one over here. Okay, guys. So now we're looking potentially over 410. The high it's on the 5 minute 412. I want to see a little bit more buying coming in. Let it do a 1 minute pullback. Right now this has 9 million shares of volume. VWAP is right about 405, 406. Let's see what this is going to do. Next 1 minute candle to make a new high is going to be right over 409. So let's see this, guys. So this, okay, let's wait for it, because this candle has 30 seconds left, this current candle, until it closes. So we want to see what that candle and the next one is going to do. Same time watching NLSP. That one has news. Oh, they have a licensing. Let's see. They got a license deal for Sonorix? Something, I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyways. Nope, couldn't hold. So it's doing a 5 minute pullback. Let it pull back. So now let's watch NLSP. NLSP, let's watch. Now for the break of the VWAP. Right now, well, the problem I see is, oh, look, that flash it had, SEEL. That's why we wait for confirmation. We just don't jump in. We gotta wait, guys. Okay. $75, there it is, buying, but it needs to get above 97 or close to 97 with a lot of volume, but that didn't happen also. Okay, so let's go over another one, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth GIGM. Oh, but look at that. Not interested at all. How's GME doing? I see people trading this a lot, but I'm not gonna trade it. AMC. The daily is doing like a pullback until it probably has a nice break, but let's see. NLSP, I'm watching. ENTX. Okay, look, I like what I did the previous 5 minute candle. There it is, it needs to break that. So it's not really excited this morning. Well, the gap list. I mean, there's a few that we're watching. For example, an LSP, but that one's not ready at this moment. I'm not saying it will be ready. It's just not ready at this moment. So yesterday was pretty good. We had a lot of momentum, and I also saw. Oh, but look at the NLSP over here. So I'm gonna put an order right about 97. Next count to make a new high is gonna be right over 84. But I don't want to go long over here at 80. Let's wait for a pullback. I just don't want to get caught up in a flush. It is 79, 78, but I see selling going on. Really not that excited. Okay, next 1 minute count to make a new high. It's going to be right over 584. And also we're only about 30 seconds left. 35 seconds left until we get the next 5 minute candle. 580, I see there's a 10,000 share seller on the ask. Let's see if that sale is gonna get taken down. The problem we had yesterday, I forgot what was the stock, but the problem we had yesterday was there was a lot of hidden sellers. Lots of hidden sellers, so we broke a spot and then we ran right into another wall. Okay, 64, look at that. That's why I didn't want to get in also. I'm not saying this is not interesting. I'll still watch it. Okay. Looks like the second leading gapper also. ENTX took a hit over there on the next 5 minute. So I'm still watching 584. So now it's gonna be the next 5 minute count to make a new high. I wonder if this is gonna be. I just don't want to be buying into a sell-off. Well, it looks like it's gonna need a little bit more time, but all we gotta do is wait. That's the thing about traders. We have to wait sometimes. Well, let's see. I see someone MPG. See, it's moving really good right now. AMPG. Well, not enough volume. That's also the thing. It only has 300,000. So this is really scary because this can drop right away. Especially just moved there with not a lot of volume. Look at that, 361,000 on the 5 minute compared to like the other ones. Look at that, 1.5 million, 600,000, 1.9, 1.2. So I'm watching. Well, the ones I'm gonna watch is gonna be the Living Gapper. That's for sure. NLSP. I'm gonna be watching for the break of VWAP right at the opening. So it's not ready yet, but doesn't mean it's not gonna be ready. So I'm just gonna wait. Same thing happened yesterday, the day before. But today it looks like it's gonna be a little bit slow. Okay, I see probably volume picking up right now. Maybe next 5 minute count to make a new high is gonna be right over 77. I'm long there at 77. I also want to see the break of 77 and also a test of 84. I see 79 on the ask. Let's see what this next 5 minutes is going to do. We only have about 5 seconds left. There it is. I see 80, 84, 85. Selling half at 85. Keeping the rest. Break even. Let's see. Maybe a pullback. 96 is the VWAP. 77 is my entry. So I'm all out of 80. So I made $60. Should have gone right away over there. Or at least I would have seen more volume picking up. Doesn't mean it's not gonna break. For example, let's see the high of the 1 minute right now is 85. So I'm back in over there at 80 for the break. NLSP. So I'm gonna hold this one a little bit longer. Took starter. So let's see. Because now we're almost close to the, so we can have the nice break of VWAP. And then I'll add for the break of the whole dollar if we get it. So 90, 92 I'll add for the break of 6. Okay, I see 85 on the ask. Let's see what this is going to do. I want to see 90. Adding over here 89. Now I have 1,000 shares now at 84. And this looks like it will break the VWAP. 95, 94. And I want to see the break also of the whole dollar, which is going to be 6. Just give a little bit of time on this one. It's a 5 minute. So my average right now is 84. Want to see what this is going to do over here. Okay, I see buying coming in at 90. Let's see what this is going to do. I see 90. People buying right at 90. 84 is my average, but I want to see what this is going to do. A pullback. 87, 88 again. Because this is a good setup right here. This is a nice breakout. It should break 590 in no time soon. Let's see, unless someone, there it is, it broke 92, 93, 94 is the VWAP. Selling half. And then I'm holding the rest for the break. Let's see, and I'm all out. So that was a better trade. Better trade. So now I can say I'm looking out for the break of 6. So what's a good entry? 96. Sorry, I had to sneeze over there. Okay, let's see. Let it pull back. I want to see the pullback. I don't want to buy right here though. Okay, I see a lot of volume coming in. Are we gonna break though? I'm long there at 95. Let's see on this pullback what this is going to do right now. Because now it's giving us a nice flat top breakout right at 95 to view up. So 94, I see 94. That would have been a good dip to get in at 89, but there it is, buying coming in. I see buying coming in, 95. Let's see, can we break it? 95, people buying. See, there's a hidden seller at 595. But let's see if we can take it down. We couldn't take it down. Okay, so let's see how low it's gonna pull back. Real question. So it looks like this is holding support, so 73. Do another ad right there at 85, so my cost basis now moved out to 90. AMPG, the only thing I really don't like is about not enough volume. If it's not gonna show in the scanners, a lot of people are not gonna have interested in it. Okay, there it goes. Look at that. Look at that. I have my entry since 585. I'm still holding. Selling another half. I'm all out. So that was a good trade. That was a really good trade right there. So we had, well, the high 684 pre-market high. So let's see where we can find some resistance. Okay, so now I'm looking for the break of 650. I'm long there at 48 for the break of 650. 46 it got me in. And I'm all out at 57. Let it pull back over here. So the previous 1 minute high was 59 the high. So let's see where it's gonna pull. Back in at 42 for the break of 50. And then sell it. I'm out. So that was a better trade. Trading within the range right now. Okay, so the current high on this 70. Oh, look at that. It's bouncing everywhere. So we know the pre-market high. It's right about 84. But look at those drop it has. So that's okay. This needs a pullback right now, and it needs to hold. Let's see, 680 is the high on this current 1 minute candle. What a wild move. Okay, this is giving us a pullback now, so 57 is the current high on this candle. Let's see if I can get a nice dip in the 20s. If I see, but I'm long there at 36 it got me in. I want to see a test probably of 650. Only a couple shares, not a lot. So 36 is my average right now. So I see 38. This is crazy. 38. And now I'm looking for the next 1 minute candle to make a new high, which is going to be right over 57. There it is, 40. I see 40. But I want to wait. There it is, 45. Selling some at 44 with the break of 50. And I'm all out at 53. Oh, no, I actually sold half. I'm still in. I'm all out now. Okay, let's see. So the high over there was right 70. Too fast. This one's going insane. Okay, guys, those on YouTube, if you guys like the content, please give it a like. It will really mean a lot to me because it means like I'm actually helping you guys, and that's what I want. So I'll see you guys back tomorrow, same time, 9 a.m. We go over the gap list, and then also the watch list. What I'm looking at the opening, like for example today, NLSP was a 1. I even said it, and then I took a trade, and then well I'm currently up right now, 737. But we'll see what we can do. Alright guys, those on YouTube, have a good day everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow.